Hello everyone, my name is Meghna Garg. I am biology expert at Q&I. And students, today we are going to talk about DNA. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है DNA is the genetic material, लेकिन DNA से पहले RNA was the genetic material of the lower group of organisms. From RNA, DNA evolved as the genetic material. तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Let's further check it in detail. डीएनए की जब हम लोग बात करते हैं तो डीएनए का स्ट्रक्चर वॉटसन एंड क्रिक ने दिया था थ्रू अ टेक्निक कॉल्ड एज एक्स्ट्रोक्रिस्टलोग्राफी. व्हाट दे फाइंड आउट वाज दैट डीएनए इज अ डबल हेलिक्स व्हिच इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 polynucleotide strands. हर स्ट्रैंड is made up by the assembly of several nucleotides together. अगर एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के बारे में बात करेंगे, it consists of one pentose sugar which is ribose sugar. Ribose sugar has 5 carbons. Now attached to the first carbon of the ribose sugar you have a nitrogenous base, whereas on the 5th carbon you have a phosphate group. The nitrogenous bases are of 4 types and they are divided into 2 categories, purines and pyrimidines. Adenine and guanine are part of purines and they have a double ring structure, whereas cytosine and thymine are part of pyrimidines and they have a single ring structure. However, in case of RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. Now, the phosphodiester bond is present between the 2 nucleotides and phosphodiester bond किनके बीच में form होता है? Between the 3' hydroxyl group and the OH group which is present at the 5' carbon of the next nucleotide. So in one strand of the DNA, the polarity would always be 5' to 3' depending on whether 5' phosphate group is free or at the lower end 3' hydroxyl group is free. Whereas in the other chain of the DNA, you have an opposite polarity, that is 3' to 5', where you have a 3' hydroxyl group free at one terminal and you have a 5' phosphate group present at the next terminal. However, students, in case of RNA, the sugar is ribose, whereas in DNA, we call the sugar as deoxyribose. दोनों के बीच में क्या difference है? So, in RNA, the hydroxyl group is present at the 2' position, whereas in DNA, the hydroxyl group or the particularly oxygen atom is missing from the 2' position. So that's all we need to know about the structure of the DNA. Let me know in the comment section whether you have understood it or not. Thank you so much.